Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to finish up with the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. So if you remember, yesterday I got my Mavic Air 2. Let me see if I have enough room here. So here is the drone. This is what it looks like. So you have all these little stickers they want you to take off. Take that off. Take the B off. It says please charge the battery prior to the first use. So when you charge it the first time, it activates the battery. So we'll take that off. Take that off and off. And these are color coded for your propellers. You can see this one has a white marking, this has nothing, and the opposite one here should have a white marking and nothing. So I think we have all the stickers off except for, how does this swing out? Hope I don't break it. Well, let's start with the top. Pops out, pops out, like that, and swings right out. And I have to say, when they get out in position, they seem to stay there. It is quite solid, it's not flimsy. Everything is quite solid. Lots of stickers. I think these are put there to protect the drone from scratching. Get that out. Get that off. Get that off. I think we got most of it. Yep. And now we have just the gimbal protector. Press the notch. So this comes off first. I'm not sure if we have to save this in case you are traveling. Probably you have to. That way you can protect the gimbal. You see how flexible it is? It's very fragile. Pull that off. The big innovations is you have the Active Track 3.0. You also have the OcuSync 2.0, which uses the 2.4 and 5.8 bands to transmit data up to 10 kilometers away. Of course, FAA rules want you to fly your drone within line of sight, so you should have a visual on your drone every time you go out flying. I think I got most of it. There's an infrared sensor. All right, now that we have the drone completely set up, well, partially set up, you have to press here once and it tells you how charged the battery is. I don't see anything for now, so let's see. Well, nothing to take out. Press the button again. No indicator. So put that back on there. Set that aside. Here is the controller. You have the little joysticks here. Get them on. I should say this really makes it easy if you're traveling, you have a backpack. Now you can safely store these sticks without having them, bulging through your backpack and possibly getting the whole controller damaged. And you press this once to check the battery level. I can't see anything, but I think it's on there, it's low. Okay, set that aside. A full charge should take about an hour and a half for the drone, and I believe it's about 4 hours for the controller. Let's see what we have in here. So you have a charger. It says DJI on top. Made in China. Input 100 to 240 volts. And the output is 5 volts, 2 amps. All right, got the power cord here. Take that off. Plug this in. And let's look for the USB. So I have the USB cord here, which I believe that's what goes in there to charge. And this goes to the battery. So what I actually need would be, as you can see, the charger. It has 2 outputs, one for the battery that goes on the drone, and this one for your controller. So take this off. And we can plug this in. And now we're fully set to have everything charged. For the battery itself, it has 2 little releases here, tabs on the side. You press on the tabs, pull out the battery, and then you can plug it in like that to have it charged. So in normal charging configuration, you could be charging both devices at the same time, both the battery and your controller. All right, let's go now back to our case and look for the props. Oops, hope I don't drop that. And the DJI drones usually come with a spare set of props. So there should be 2 sets in there. BB unmarked and A unmarked. Oh, marked. So this must be the Well, the marked one goes on the marked prop, and then the unmarked one goes on the unmarked, I believe. Hope I got that right. So let's open this up and see what we have in there. Open carefully. That's a pair with an extra one. So 3 of the marked ones. Open up the first bag. Be careful. These props are significantly bigger than for the DJI Spark. And you can see this one is marked. So we get our drone. It has this little notch here at the bottom. And that's what's gonna latch onto the drone, those notches. So the marked one to the marked one. Put on your prop, press down, and then you turn. I'm turning the wrong direction. Oh my. There. We got that first one secured. Get the second prop. Hope I don't break it. And here is the second prop, and it's also marked. So we go diagonally opposite. Press down and twist. And you do that for the other 2 props. And then I'll plug in everything and give it about 2 to 3 hours for everything to be fully charged. See you guys when I am going for the first flight.